Okay, to summarise, the TPS Speed 6 and 10, two settings, 500mm, 330mm a second. This is obviously 100% duty cycle. A true 1,000 kilogram rating with 50mm stopping power. Machine cut gears, obviously superior quality. Absolute encoder, easy manual release for the end user when they require it. Obviously fully sealed, bug-proof enclosure with pre-fitted with cable glands for all accessories, and space obviously available to hide them all in securely. Features have partial opening on the settings for pedestrian mode, adjustable open and close speeds up to the maximum 330mm, 500mm a second potentially. Yeah, Austrian built quality, basically superior to anything else that honestly we've seen on the market in terms of the design, manufacturing. Adjustable height, pinion and motor gearbox. Aluminium casing and housing. Euro key manual release for easy access that can be made to be the same as a house key or the same as a building key. That gives you access straight there. Away to go.